Today I'm checking out this hand grip workout kit. It's by FitBeast, and it's supposed to come with, a gripper and miscellaneous other things to help just strengthen your hands. So let's take it out of the box, see what it all comes with. All right, when you open the box, this is everything you're gonna get. Everything is packaged inside this little draw bag. You've got this, finger exerciser here. You've got the gripper here that is adjustable. You've got what looks like a squeeze ball type of thing, and a squeeze donut. I think this is to squeeze like this. And there's all kinds of things you can do with a donut, but I'm pretty sure it's just meant to be like this. And then you have finger exerciser that's supposed to be able to exercise like each finger individually. We'll have to read the instructions, see how all of this is supposed to be used, but that's what's in the package. Again, this is kind of cool because it's got this little gripper here, and then when you twist it, it moves this little piece here. Basically, is just tightening up that spring. So the more you twist this, the more this moves this way, and the more the spring gets tightened. Oh yeah, you definitely feel a difference in that. Very nice, I like that. This is supposed to go like around your fingers. And then you just do this. Gets to work the other side of your muscles. Instead of constantly just pulling in, now you're working pushing out. So that's cool. That definitely has some resistance to it. Again, just the squishy thing here and the ball. So let's see what the instruction says about all that. So yeah, here's the hand grip. It's showing you how you can use it with different fingers to exercise them. Again, different ways to do this, even using your little just fingers inside. Okay, the ball can be used in many different ways. There's the finger grips. And yeah, I see. That's everything in here. So yeah, very cool. And then of course, it's got all these different pieces so you can work out both hands at the same time. So you're not just working out one hand, you can work them both. Very neat kit. We're definitely going to be using it. All right, I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.